2026. The future of long-haul luxury has arrived, and it's wearing a name that commands attention: Mack. In a world where power meets prestige, the all-new Mack truck motorhome in shimmering silver rolls into the spotlight, not as a machine, but as a moving fortress of elegance and authority. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. Massive, majestic, and magnetic in every sense. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Mack Motorhome doesn't just capture your gaze, it holds it hostage. The silver bodywork gleams under the showroom lights like polished metal armor, its oversized form casting a bold silhouette that stretches longer and taller than anything in its class. Mack's signature grille commands the front like a steel guardian, flanked by sharply defined LED headlamps that slice through the air with clinical precision. The bumper, sculpted and oversized, anchors the front end with an industrial authority, while thin chrome accents subtly highlight the edges like strokes of artistry on a steel canvas. The windshield is massive, slightly curved, giving it the look of a panoramic control tower. Every angle, every panel, reflects luxury engineered at truck scale. As you move around to the sides, the polished aluminum steps gleam against the silver undercarriage, leading to tall, bus-style entry doors. The sheer size of the motorhome is mesmerizing, taller than most tour buses, longer than an articulated rig, yet designed with the seamless curves of a futuristic spacecraft. The tires? They're nothing short of monumental. These are military-grade, ultra-thick, high-flank all-terrain tires, built for both highway glide and off-road defiance. Their deep grooves and shining sidewalls sit beneath blacked-out heavy-duty fenders, which rise just high enough to reveal the air suspension system that keeps this beast floating with supreme stability. Each tire is mounted on brushed silver alloy rims, wide and polished like artillery wheels. The stance is grounded, confident, with a low center line that hugs the road like a sports sedan in a truck's body. Along the sides, the silver paint plays with ambient lighting, sometimes appearing chrome-like under intense showroom LEDs, then melting into soft gunmetal tones when viewed from shadowed angles. Hidden slide-outs expand the living quarters at the push of a button, while sleek tinted windows run horizontally